The radar was set to 12 nautical miles in range. Set to north-up orientation. And we will be doing the 6 minutes plot, or the 10th rule. Disclaimer. This video content fits only for the purpose of this study. First observation of the target, at 1400 hours, was at 039 degrees. With a range of 10 nautical miles. After 6 minutes. The target was observed at 1400 hours, 6 minutes. Bearing of 037 degrees, with a range of 8 nautical miles. Gather all the relevant information, and plot it to the radar transfer plotting sheet. To draw the vector triangle, and to determine the true course of the target, true speed of the target. So, what are we waiting for? Let us now proceed. Disclaimer. Measurement in this video content is less accurate compared to the actual use of radar transfer plotting sheet. What is necessary is the methodology. Before we continue, I encourage you to please watch this video. I will put the link down below the description. Okay. Let us now continue to our study. Align your triangle to your ship course, and bring it to your first target observed labeled R, at 1400 hours. From this point, draw a straight line. Then measure 2 nautical miles, in your 12 nautical miles scale. Then bring it to the first target observed. The point reached by the measured 2 nautical miles. Mark it with a dot. And label it E. The direction from E to R is the on-ship course, and the distance from E to R is the on-ship speed. Draw a line from E to M, then bring it to the center of the on-ship. And determine the target ship course. It reads that the target course is equal to 286 degrees. Measure the distance from E to M. Then bring it to the 12 nautical miles scale, and it reads 1.4 nautical miles. Divide it by 6 minutes, the result is the speed of the target, which is equal to 14 knots. How do I arrive the target speed 14 knots? Okay. I will show you how. 1.4 nautical miles, divided by 6 minutes. The result is 0.23 with vinculum 3. Press second function, then press degrees, minutes, and seconds. The result is 0 degree, 14 minutes, and 0 second. The unit of speed is miles per hour, which is equal to knot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.